Hey there, and welcome to the All People page. This is your central hub where you can find, add, and manage every person in your system. The page lists two types of people. First, you have an asset. These are your employees and contractors who count towards your plan. Then you have contacts, who are external people like a supplier or myself from Piago. These don't count towards your plan. To find someone fast, you can use the main search bar. Need to reorganize a list? Do so by clicking on the little arrows at the top of the columns. Add a new person, click the plus icon. Make a quick change, click the pencil. Or view a profile, click the eyeball. And that's it. Now you know how to find and manage everyone in your system, your contacts, assets, all in one place. It's that easy.